What's the meaning of cottonwood? Cottonwood. Cottonwood.
Cottonwood. Cottonwood. Cottonwood refers to a type of tree that belongs to the poplar family. The tree is characterized by its soft and lightweight wood, large heart-shaped leaves, and distinctive cotton-like seeds that are dispersed by wind. Cottonwoods are commonly found near rivers, streams, and other water sources. They are an important source of food and shelter for various wildlife, and their wood is often used for making plywood, boxes, and paper pulp. Due to their fast-growing nature and ability to absorb large amounts of carbon dioxide, cottonwoods are also used in reforestation and carbon sequestration efforts.